Tutorial for replacing the handle. The first step is to use a tool to unscrew the fixing screw of the handle first. Cut the rolled strip of the wrapping tube with scissors. Remove the material rope. Envelope tube. Remove the fixing screw of the seat back. Cross screwdriver. Pull the seat back and take it away. Loosen the two fixing screws of the controller box. Find the handle plug in the controller. Connect the plug to the controller and unplug it. Take off the handle. Straighten a knot along this line and straighten it to the back. New handle installation. Fix the screws. Line straightening. Winding rope installation. Envelope tube installation. Line plug straightening. Install and fix with cable TS. Rotary handle plug docking controller plug. Blue plug for docking controller, green plug. Wire connectors, but controller wire connectors. The two-wire connector docking controller is also a two-wire connector. Controller straightening. Tighten the fixing screw. Seat package installation. The front one has two buckles. Two snaps aligned with frame holes. Push it forward. Then a screw fixing installation. The vehicle handle is installed.